Hello, welcome back to TPT class, everyone. See you today about, you can see here, times adverbs. Okay, so what am I going to tell you today? Let me go. Okay, so let you see times adverb or adverb of time. You see, and you know what is adverb of time? Very easy to recognize, everyone. Adverb of time, we talk about the times of adverb, or we talk about the action or situation that we want to express about when, you know, when do we do it, when do we do that action, or when do we do that thing, when do we do this thing, you know. So time, adverb of time or times adverb, we use to express about the answer from the question when, you know. So adverb of time, very easy to know, everyone. We use adverb of time to answer the question when. Okay, so today I let you see two types of adverb here. You can see adverb of time and adverb clause of time. Okay, so let you see what are the difference between this. So what are the difference about adverb of time and adverb clause of time? Okay, look at example. I give you only 3 examples. You can see here. Yes, you can see where is adverb. Okay, this one adverb, this one adverb, and this one adverb. Yes, I arrived there at night. So at night is adverb. You know, why do we know the phrase as adverb? Because we express about time, or we talk about time. So this one is time, you know, this one is time expression. At night, so at night it is the answer from the question when. So I can ask you, when did you arrive there? I arrived there at night. So at night is the answer from the question when. When did you arrive there? You got it? So at night it is time expression and function as adverb. Okay, so this one adverb at night we use to modify arise, because it is the answer from the question when. When did you arrive there? I arrived there at night. So at night the answer from the question when. Yes, you got it. Another one, I have lived here since 2011. So this one also phrase, you know, time expression, you know, time expression or prepositional phrase function as adverb. Okay, adverb of time modified to live. You know, how long have you lived here? I have lived here since 2011. So this one, it is the answer from the question how long. You know, how long it is the question that I want to know about duration of time. How long have you lived there? Or how long have you lived here? So how long, it is the question word that want to know about duration of time, you know. So it is also adverb to give more information about live. Yes, so this one is adverb of time modified live. Another one, I get up at 6 o'clock. Of course, you know, this one is adverb. So this one adverb of time that modify get up. When do you get up? You know, you see the question when do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock, like that. So at 6 o'clock, okay, from I'm sorry, at 6 o'clock it is adverb of time modified to get up. It is the information that I want to know from you. When do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. So at 6 o'clock it is adverb of time. Okay, the simple like this. So you know, I arrived there at night. It is a simple sentence that at night is adverb of verb arrive. And this one, I have lived here since 2011. So since 2011 it is adverb of time modified verb live. I get up at 6 o'clock. So at 6 o'clock it is adverb of time modify or give more information to get up. Okay, so at night since 2011 at 6 o'clock they are prepositional phrase. Okay, prepositional phrase function as adverb modified to verb in this sentence. Okay, you get it? Yes. And let us see there, let us see here. Okay, 2 of the adverb of place, but let you see in next video about this. Okay, let's move to another adverb clause of time. Okay, let's go. Here is about adverb clause of time. You see? So the first time I let you see only phrase or word that function as adverb. But this one let you see about adverb clause of time. You know, it is not word or phrase, but it is sentence or clause. Okay, so this one, this adverb, we don't talk about word or phrase, but we talk about sentence or clause. It is different from this one, you know. This one just let you see about word or phrase that function as adverb, but this one let you see about sentence or clause function as adverb. You can see the word clause here. Okay, it's not this one like adverb of time. Okay, so let you see example. You see, I arrived there. Okay, and this one, while it was raining, you know, it's not phrase. Of course, it is sentence or clause, dependent clause, you know, or we call adverb dependent clause, you know, this one. This dependent clause, we call adverb clause. Yes, that's simple. So this one, this sentence also modified to arrive. You know, it's not different from this one, you know, it's not different from this one, but this one we talk about only phrase, yes, but this one we refer to sentence or clause. You see, adverb clause. We use this clause to modify verb here, arrive. Okay, you get it? We know this clause as adverb clause because we also see conjunction, subordinator, conjunction while. This subordinator or this conjunction tell us to know about time. When did you arrive there? I arrived there while it was raining. So while it was raining, I arrived there. Okay, so while it was raining, it is information that I want to tell you more about arrive. I arrived there while it was raining. You know, it was raining in that time, and then I arrived there. Okay, like this. Yes, and this one you see a sentence and also a sentence, you know, but this one independent clause or main clause or simple sentence, but this one dependent clause. Yeah, dependent clause start with subordinator or conjunction sin. So this subordinator tell us to know about time, the same. Okay, like I have lived here since I was 10 ages. So when, you know, when or how long? So how long have you lived here? I have lived here since I was 10 age. So now, okay, I am 25, I am 30, okay, it's up to you. So this sentence we use to modify live, you know, main verb live, okay. Yes, I have lived here since I was 10 ages, okay. So this one, adverb clause function as adverb we use to modify live. I want to know how long have you lived here. I have lived here since I was 10 ages, okay, like this. Another one, I always get up when it's 6 o'clock. You see, this one I use only phrase, prepositional phrase at 6 o'clock, but this one I use sentence or dependent clause, adverb dependent clause, you know. You can see subordinator or conjunction when, you see sentence, subject, you see verb here, okay, subject verb, it is, okay. So this one we call dependent clause, function as adverb, and we call adverb clause. So this adverb clause we use to modify get up. Okay, get up, it is verb. Mention about get up. So this adverb clause is the answer of question when, you know. So when do you always get up? So I always get up when it's 6 o'clock. Okay, like this. So the last minute, what I want to tell you, I just want everyone to know about times adverb or adverbs of time. Okay, you can say adverb of time like phrase, like word, or adverb of time as dependent clause or sentence. You see here. So, however, adverb still keep modifying verb, adverb, and adjective. You know, even though it is word or phrase or sentence or dependent clause, adverb still modify verb, adverb, and adjective, like this. Okay, so the lesson today about time adverb or adverb of time, it is the short one that I want to tell you, everyone. So thank you for spending your time to watch this video. Blessing you, everyone. Bye bye.